Why do so many Igbo people have chi in their name, and what does chi actually even mean? The word is multifaceted, but most people these days think of chi as God the creator. However, in traditional Igbo culture, the creator or God is referred to as Chineke or Chukwu. Chi as a concept can be described as your personal life force, spiritual energy, or the force that shapes your destiny. Think of it as something that moves with you, influencing your path in life. Something that might help put it into context is the popular Igbo saying, Onye kwe, chi akwe, which means if a person agrees, so does their chi. This essentially means that your chi aligns with your willpower or decisions. So not just about fate, but what you do with it as well. It's a balance between destiny and personal action. That's why chi names like Chimamanda are so important. They reflect the deep belief that who you are and what you become is tied to your chi. Next time you hear chi in a name, you'll know it's more than just a syllable. It's your identity, purpose, and destiny all in one. Do you have a chi name? Drop it in the comments and tell us what it means. And don't forget to follow us for more on Igbo and African culture.